UMabe uthi alikho nelilodwa ilungu lesigungu esiphezulu elizothathelwa izinyathelo ngendlela elavota ngayo ePhalamende kuvotelwa umbiko othinta iplazi likaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa iPhala.
There is no member of the National Executive Committee as it is now who will be appearing before the National Disciplinary Committee. These matters will be processed by the incoming National Executive Committee, and the incoming National Executive Committee will determine the course of action, having looked at all of the cases of a similar nature that would have occurred in the past.
Uthi iqembu elibusayo alizile kulengqungquthela eseNazareth ukuzozimbela igodi kodwa lizozivuselela kabusha.
The ANC is not coming here to bury itself. The incoming NEC will have the responsibility to take forward some of these issues. And if they arrive at a determination that this case and others of a similar nature in the past require the attention of the NDC or any other disciplinary structure of the ANC, they will take that decision.
UMabe uthi angeke ibhuntshe lengqungquthela kodwa bazophuma beyi-ANC engcono kakhulu.
Responsibility to make sure that there is nothing that will collapse this conference. The commitment made by the National Executive Committee when we met yesterday is that we are going to do everything else in our power to make sure that this conference concludes its business.
Kusenjalo unobhala jikelele we-ANC osamisiwe u-Ace Magashule uthi uyabahlonipha labo baholi ababa nesibindi bangavota neqembu elibusayo ngesikhathi kuvotela umbiko othinta iPhala.
I salute Msebenziswani Supra Mahumapelo, and I think mere intimidation will never intimidate thousands and thousands of ANC members like us. We know this organization, we are the children of this organization, we have struggled. We're not going to be pushed out by those who joined the ANC today.
ANC bekumele iqale ngehora lesishiyagalombili ekuseni kodwa kuze kwashaya ihora le-12 ingakaqali. Izoqala namhlanje ke besiphothulwa ngoLwesibili. NginguCalvin wakwaDludla ezindabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngisegodi.